Today I am purchasing my ingredients from Safeway. We will start with the bruschetta, and I have my shopping list. So for the bruschetta we need sliced sourdough bread, butter. There are a lot of choices with butter. You might have a favourite, but I'm going with the cheapest. Onions, tomatoes, fresh basil, and a tube of garlic. So our next meal is salad, and we'll need lettuce, avocados, tomatoes, and 2 corn cobs. This packaged corn is easy to go with, but it costs a lot of money. I'm going to go with this one. And for dessert, we're having fruit kebabs. We will need watermelon, rockmelon, strawberries, pineapple, apples, and bananas. Now we're back into the kitchen. I'd like to introduce my co-star, Jono Wright. We're starting off by making the bruschetta. So I'm going to dice this tomato. I went one way and I turned it the other way. Here's some we prepared earlier. I'm finally chopping the basil. Here's some finely chopped basil that I prepared earlier. I've asked Jono to cut the onion for our bruschetta. This is a red onion, finely diced to fit on the bread. Next, I'm going to show you how to prepare the bruschetta. Jono is buttering the bread. And then I'm going to put the ingredients on. Now I'm going to put all the ingredients onto the bruschetta. I'm going to start off with the garlic. So I'm squeezing the garlic on slowly with a little bit of garlic. Now I am spreading the garlic. You can use fresh garlic if you want to, but tube garlic's better. Now I'm going to add the tomato. I sprinkle the tomato onto the bread. So the tomato is on the bread. Now I'm going to put the onion on. I'm taking this much onion and sprinkling it on the bread. Now I'm going to sprinkle the basil on top. Sprinkling the basil. I'm using this much basil to go on top. Once the basil is on, then you can enjoy your bruschetta. All that's left now is to enjoy it. Next, we have our salad. It's easy to make. First, I'm going to be shredding the lettuce. I get those things mixed up. So as you can see, I am shredding the lettuce. Put it into the bowl. I bought nice fresh corn that I already cooked. I removed the kernels, and this is what I prepared earlier. They go in the bowl. Now I am going to slice the cucumber. I'm keeping my fingers in so I don't chop them off. I put them in the bowl. Next, I'm going to do the avocado. So I'm cutting around it so that way the skin comes apart. I'm going to take the skin off it because I don't think anyone wants to eat skin on the avocado in the salad. It's very squishy. I am dicing the avocados. I'm putting them in the bowl. And finally, some cherry tomatoes. I just sprinkle them in. And voila, you've got easy salad. So for the meals today, you can serve any meat with the salad. There's one quick thing I like to mention. I like to say a big thank you to the Swan Hill Special School for letting us use their kitchen. Up next, we have the fruit kebabs. I chopped up all my ingredients already. Bananas, apples, watermelon, rock melon, pineapple and strawberries. So now I am going to put the fruit on the kebabs. So first I'm putting on the watermelon. Like so. Then the banana. Pineapple. Strawberry. Then the rock melon. Making it look colourful apparently. Apple. The apple could go on. Then watermelon again. Then banana. Then pineapple. Then strawberry. That's for the colour so it looks nice. And last of all, apple. And with the kebabs, you can use any fruit you like within season. There you have a fruit kebab. A refreshing snack for a warm summer's day. That's it for me. Happy healthy eating.